Let's look at the possible ways you can place components in the design. With SystemVision, there's really 3 to 4 ways you could possibly place components in the design. So first way, the easiest one, is you'll probably notice right away that we have some symbols added to the SystemVision toolbar. So you could place resistors, inductors, capacitors, some voltage sources, grounds, diodes, BJTs and stuff straight from that toolbar, so it makes it a little bit quicker to just kind of get design up and going if you want to use those. The next way is using the SystemVision search and place symbol dialog. So one way of accessing that is through this shortcut right here, so you click that. You also can go to SystemVision search and place symbols if you want to go through that way. And then inside here you have access to all our model library trees. So if you go to all symbols, you could find symbols in our electric, digital. So let's grab the same things before. Let's look at the resistors. So we grab a resistor here, and the way you place it inside your design is you can either drag it from the symbol preview, or you could also click place. One thing search and place symbols has is you actually can find the model help from here as well. So if you click model help, they'll give you the ports, generics, and any description for the model. And then also you could click on open model, and they'll open the model source code for you. Search and place symbol also has a search feature where you can type in res, and it'll show you all the resistors. If you check the include spice libraries, it actually will add the SystemVision spice libraries to the search. So if I look for 2N2222A, it'll show you the different ones that we have in the SystemVision spice library. Same thing as before, you could place it from here, you could open the model and see what it looks like. It'll take you right to the spot inside the spice model library folder. The next way to be able to place components in design, so let me delete these, is to use DX Databook. So I'll click on DX Databook, and it comes up detached. I actually want to snap these together, so let me drag it from right here, and then I'll let go right there, and then one more snap. I'll actually make it so I could snap it to the bottom of my frame right there, and then expand this a little bit to make it easier to see. So if you go to the Symbols tab, just like SystemVision search and place symbol, you have a way to look at our model libraries and the trees in different libraries. So if you look in electrical, we can also find the resistor model here. And just like before, you could drag and place a symbol there, or you could do place symbol. And you also could search for your symbols from this field right here. So if we type res, it'll come up with the resistor in a few libraries within SystemVision, and then also all the ones we have in our svlib library. The last way is really just a variation on symbols. It's actually using the database search feature for DX Databook. So by default, it's attached to the SystemVision database. So if you want to go to the, like before, if you want to go to the electrical library, so you go to VHDL electrical, you open this up, then you can do model, let's type in res, and actually it's a little bit more picky because it actually wants the full name of the device, so you drag and drop that way too. Out of all these methods, I really recommend starting off with the search and place symbols. It's a small, compact, GUI, lightweight. It's something where you could start your design work quite quickly, while DX Databook has a lot more features to it, but it's also more cumbersome and harder to deal with, a little more complicated to get the parts you need. So start with SystemVision search and place symbols, and you'll have a quick time in order to get your components in your design and simulate.